And welcome back to another episode of my holiday organizing tips series, where I upload a new organizing tip daily to hopefully help make your holiday season just a little bit more organized. Okay, in this video I want to talk about delegating responsibility around the home. One way disorganization takes root and grows in your home is when one person gets stuck doing everything. Moms are not the only ones who can get the house and everything ready for the holiday season. This is no longer the 1950s. Everybody needs to pitch in. That makes it a lot easier for everyone. So let's talk husbands or dads or teenagers who can drive. If you are able to drive to work, drive to school, drive to your friend's house, you can drive to the grocery store too. And you can drive to the department store to pick up gifts for people. It is not just one person's responsibility. So one of the biggest tips I can offer you in this holiday series is to make sure everybody is involved in the preparation and planning of everything during the holiday season. Another way you can delegate the responsibilities around your home is to assign different people in your home to be responsible for getting gifts or coming up with gift ideas for the people you plan to shop for. Again, it's not one person's responsibility to come up with all the ideas for the gifts and do all the running around for those. And along the lines of everybody participating, let the kids help with the cooking. Let them help with the cleaning. Let them help with getting all the holiday cards out. Kids need to be involved in the holiday process. Here's the thing, if you don't start teaching them in the house, what are they going to do when they move out someday? They're not going to know how to get ready for the holidays. Get them involved early. Little kids can do a lot. And there are studies that have proven that it helps their self-esteem to feel like they are a part of this process. So you are not hurting them in the least when you assign cooking, cleaning, or maybe card duty to them. Little kids can put the stamps on cards. They love that. They can seal the cards. I used to give my kids a little sponge and said, showed them how to go along the little glue line, and they felt like they were part of the holiday season. So don't take that away from them. Give them that, and it'll also benefit you by lessening all the responsibilities on your shoulders. And I'm going to be honest with you, I am practicing what I am preaching here, okay? Every chore in our house has been divided up evenly amongst us, and here is proof of it, okay? We have a color-coded chart with the responsibilities. Everybody has their own color, and each day of the week, they have their chores that they have to do. Why should one person have all the weight of everything around the house on them? It only adds stress and disorganization around your home if one person is trying to handle everything. So this holiday season, maybe try making a chart of your own. You can color code it like we did, or you can do whatever works for you. But the main thing is get everybody involved, lessen your stress, and create more organization this holiday season. Okay, I hope this tip helped. If you would like more organizing tips like the one in this video, I have created a 55-page downloadable PDF filled with organizing charts and to-do lists, along with all of my organizing tips that will help you create a more organized holiday season. If you're interested in getting that, I will put the link down below, and you can create a little more calm out of the chaos of this season. Don't forget to check back tomorrow for another holiday organizing tip. Bye-bye.